I know how difficult it is to actually address the problem of drug addiction and the resulting consequences of addiction in the city. I would be supportive of the medically supervised injecting centres. I met with the Anna Livia project because I wanted to make sure before I made my mind up I would have an informed decision. I studied what they did in Sydney and it worked. Now I'm talking about on a pilot basis. I mean, what is the harm in actually trying it out on a pilot basis? And if it works, great. If it doesn't, we've learned, okay, this isn't a model that we can use here.
What about decriminalisation?
I'm still not sure. I know I have parents who come to me who say to me, oh my God, my son and my daughter was only smoking, a little joint, and now they're arrested and they're criminalised for life. That's something that we need to address. I would have been adamant that before, no, they smoked it. But no, I actually think we do need to sit down and have a grown-up conversation about this.
Okay.